What's up, y'all? This is Rosa back with another cleaning supplies haul. I went to Dollar Tree and Dollar General. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the bell to be notified when I drop the video. I just got a little stuff, to stock up on my household stuff. I love to get piled up on my household stuff, y'all. So I'm gonna start off with Dollar Tree first. Then I'm gonna tell y'all what I got from Dollar General as I go along. So enjoy the video. So right here, you guys, this all right here is from Dollar Tree. I have some oven cleaner lemon scent heavy duty for the oven to clean the oven out. I got 2 bottles of Ajax dishwasher liquid. Here's the other two. I got some Comet multi-purpose spray cleaner for the tub. I got a small bottle of hand sanitizer. I got my Pro Style hair gel for my hair. I got 2 things of toothpaste. I got some Advil. I got 2 of the Zest hand bar soap. I have the heavy duty scrubbing pads for the stove. I have a measuring cup. Dollar Tree, came from Dollar Tree. I got this thing so I can put potato salad or whatever I want to use. It's a little bowl with the top from Dollar Tree. I have some gloves, 2 things of paper towels, the cheap brand strong soft toilet paper. I'm moving this stuff out the way. All this stuff right here came from Dollar Tree. I spent $17 at Dollar Tree. I have some laundry detergent. This is to wash your clothes with. I have some pine sol. This came from Dollar General. I got 2 of the men deodorant degree for Donovan. I got me the 24-hour degree for women. Got 2 of those for me. Also got some Dow spring water 6-pack soap. This came from Dollar General. I bought me some Cheetos, jalapeno Cheetos. I love these. I bought a thing of paper plates. They was $3. You get 100 plates in here for $3. So I got that. And I got some awesome bleach. And I'm sorry, y'all, because I got me the wrong kind of Coca-Cola cherry. I got vanilla. I drunk it up. I was like, oh, this is nasty. So I got that. Don't mind the dishes. That was it for the haul, you guys. Just like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching. Um, keep on hitting that subscribe button. I hope y'all enjoy y'all day. Be safe. And I already sprayed stuff down before I brought them in the house, y'all. So being cautious and being safe. So y'all have a wonderful day. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.